please state your name, year and course, the position you are running for, and under what slate you are running under. Under what slate you are running.
I'm Camille Santa Ana, second year, BA Pol Sci, running for CSSP Councilor under the Buklod CSSP party.
The 300% increase in the tuition and other fees has been in effect now for at least 3.5 years. What do you think has the change in the demography of UP done to the university? Is it a move for the better or not?
Basically, it's for not for the better. Buklod CSSP is against a necessary and unreasonable increase in tuition fee hike. So alam naman natin na ang universidad ay open sa lahat ng estudyante na mula sa iba't ibang sektor. Nga ang pagtaas sa tuition fee ay nakaapekto sa demographics ng UP population dahil nalimitahan ang pagpasok ng mga estudyante dun sa mga yung mga makakaabot o yung makakakaya lang na makabayad sa tuition fee.
Okay, the current administration has been marked by constitutional issues in recent times, from the unconstitutional declaration of the Truth Commission by the Supreme Court to the vague provision of the Constitution regarding the ban on midnight appointments that allowed Renato Corona to become the Chief Justice of the High Court. Do you think these will become hindrances to the current administration's reform agenda? Why or why not?
Magiging hindrance ito dahil kung matatandaan natin, bago magtapos ang termino ng former President Arroyo ay nagkaroon pa siya ng mga midnight appointees. Siyempre, personally I think na makakahinder ito dahil siyempre since galing nga sila sa administrasyong Arroyo ay alam natin kung kanino ang kanilang loyalty. Although nire-recognize ko yung effort ng ating Pangulo ngayon na maging transparent yung previous administrations para mas mapaigting o mas mapagtibay yung mga reforma na gagawin sa ngayong sa kasalukuyang administrasyon.
Kung ikaw ay magiging isang ulam, ano yun at bakit?
Kung ako ay magiging isang ulam, gusto ko maging rellenong bangus dahil malaman at marami akong pwedeng maibahagi sa ating kolehiyo.
Okay, is there anything else you want to say?
Nothing.
Okay.